Hi everybody, Michelle Vassallo from Rhythm Massage Development and Education. Today I'm going to be continuing my series, Be the Best Therapist That You Can Be. This series is a selection of tips and tricks that I have taken from my experience in the massage room and the things that have helped me to become a better therapist than I was when I first came out of massage school. So these are things that along the way I've noticed are particularly useful. And the thing that I wanted to talk about today was how do we get a really complete picture of what our client is presenting with. And often what I've found in the past is that clients will come in, especially new clients, and they'll fill in the client intake form, but they will often neglect because they've forgotten or because they don't think it's important, particularly pertinent pieces of information that will inform the way that you treat them and also how you want to practice when you're approaching designing their massage plan or treatment plan with them. So this tip is all based around the idea of look, listen, and then look again. Because what I found when I was taking care of students in clinics at both Victoria University and RMIT is that students would often miss really obvious things about a client because it wasn't on the client intake form. So going straight to that form and looking down and just seeing what's in front of you will often cut out a whole lot of the information that you can see and you can hear rather than read. So when a client comes in, particularly the first time that you've ever seen them, what sort of gait are they walking in with? When they take a seat, are they slouching? Are they sitting upright? Are they favoring one side to the other? Watch how they're walking, watch how they're sitting, and then listen to what they're saying. Some people will omit pertinent pieces of information, again because they don't think it's important, but also because maybe they don't want to tell you those things, and that's fine, but sometimes those particular aspects are important to our massage treatment protocol. So listen carefully to what the client's saying and ask open questions. You know, for example, if somebody walks in and they've got a shocking neck pain and they've had it for a while, there's lots of tests that you can do to work out what it might be. You know, you can have a look at their client intake form, you can see how long they've been having this neck issue, what exacerbates it. But what a lot of students and therapists don't ask is, how's your pillow? What sort of pillow are you using? Are you comfortable on your mattress? Are you sleeping well? Little things like that can actually be really big clues in how we can approach the treatment protocol that we're designing for our client. So the big tip is look really carefully, listen really closely, and then look again. Look at how they're standing up. Look at how they're bending over to take their shoes off. Looking at how they're putting their bags down. See how comfortable they are in their skin, because that will give you non-verbal clues as to what's happening with your client. So that's a really important part of being a good therapist. Looking and seeing the things that are not being said and also the things that are not necessarily obvious. Something else that's really important as well is also alerting our clients when we see things, particularly changes to skin texture or moles on the back that a client might not see. So oftentimes you'll be the first or the only person to see that area of skin. So as a massage therapist or body worker, it really is our duty of care to see something that if it's changed, we need to just point that out to our client and say, hey, I've noticed over the past few weeks or months that this particular area of skin's been changing, maybe you should go and get it checked out. So following your duty of care is really important because that shows the client who's in your massage room with you that you care about them. So building a good client base is all about making excellent connections with our clients, seeing and hearing the things that are not being said, and often also pointing out something that's changed. Okay, so that's my tip. If you haven't already jumped over to my website to register, jump over to rhythmmassage.com.au, set up a student profile so that you're in line for my monthly newsletters. And I've said this before and I'll say it again, the newsletters are not hectic. They're just little bits of information that often I don't upload on the Facebook page, and there's also some discounts in there, some offers on online courses, all sorts of things that you probably don't want to miss out on. So jump over to Rhythm Massage, register yourself by setting up your student email and a password in there, and then you're good to go. And I will see you with my next trick for being and tip for being the best massage therapist that you can be. In the meantime, Take care of yourself, enjoy what you do, and I'll see you in a workshop or in the online space really soon. It's over and out from me. Bye everybody.